Hi there, it is Bag Makers Box unboxing day again. Welcome to my channel. My name is Esther from Attitude, if we have not met before, and a warm welcome back to everyone who's been here before. If you've been here before, you'll see that I usually unbox the bi-monthly Bag Makers subscription box from Studio 77. It's not a kit, it comes in a box like this, and Emma from Studio 77 will spend a lot of time gathering supplies that will look fab together, but not with a specific project in mind. So let's have a look. I've got all the details in the description below if you'd like to give it a go, plus a special discount code for you guys as well if it's your first box. So first of all, it's always beautifully wrapped in tissue, and let's have a little dive in. Okay, so the first thing you'll see is this pamphlet inside, which will have QR codes for patterns that Emma has collaborated with those particular pattern designers, and they will give money off, including one of her own patterns. So I won't open it up because the QR codes will be in there, but that's another thing. And on the back it will also have what's inside this box. Okay, let's dive in. Okay, first and foremost, you'll all know, they've been here before, that I love my Bird and Blend teas. That is often what's in there. There's a little cuppa to sew along and have a nice little drink. I've not seen this one before. It's called Morning Kick. I always need a morning kick. Very nice. Amazonian charged yerba mate tea with lemon and ginger to put a zing in your day. Now, who doesn't need a zing in their day? It's literally boiling here in the UK. Unusual. So something refreshing is good. Eco-friendly packaging. Alrighty. Oh, stickers. Stickers, very important. Oh, I can see already this has got a super summery theme to it. So we've got shell, yeah, I sew. How cute is that? Decorate whatever you like with your stickers, your sewing machine, your boxes, whatever, water bottles, and the heart. Cute. Love that. Thank you, Emma. Okay. Let's have a look. Look inside this one. Had a hole in my bag. One moment, cooler. Okay, he's so cute. I'll be back up in a second. She's back. Look at these. The shell love. Starfish. Oh look, it's a bag charm. That's too cute for me. I love it. It's really substantial weight as well. It's pretty heavy. Look at the starfish. Oh my gosh. How lovely. And then another matching shell, like earrings, but they're not, they're zipper pulls. Number 5 zipper pulls. How cute. Slightly obsessed with that bag charm right now. Some very gorgeous webbing. Look at the like little details. Braided on the outside. I don't think I have anything this colour blue. I love it. It's fresh. I love it. To be fair, I usually love everything, so in these boxes. And then we have some vinyl. What a treat. Look at it. I think we need holiday bags in this. Who needs to see me? I love it. I've said that, I know, a few times, but it's so far from, like, not that I know what to expect ever, but that's one of the fun things as well, is that you never know what you're going to get. You've not chosen it yourself. You know what's coming is going to be really nice quality, all go together, and usually something that you can't get hold of very easily in the UK anyway. Well, not without paying extortionate shipping costs. But yeah, what do you think I should make with this? Holiday bag, wash bag, all of the things. Let me see what patterns. Rolling my vinyl. I've got discounts on them. Let's have a look inside. I'm not showing you any QR codes. So the Artemis clutch by Toriska Patterns. Nice. Emma's Naiway bag, which is a toiletry bag. You can have a little look at that pattern online. And Let's Socialize Designs, the bottle up sling. So very nice patterns to use alongside that. And when you subscribe, when you have the Bag Makers box, it's 20% off the patterns. So that's a little added bonus, 20% off 3 patterns when you subscribe to the Bag Makers box. So let me know what you think in the comments. Do you love it? What would you make with it? What do you think I should make with it? And if you would like to receive one of these in 2 months' time, then head to the description box. You'll see all of the details on how to sign up, how to get your hands on one of these. But I'll say bye for now, and take care. See you next time. Bye.